Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and we have a superb deal to get the Shea Moisture bar soap for 64 cents each with a curbside pickup over at Walgreens. So, oh my gosh, this is fantastic. I'm going to walk you through this deal line by line so you can have the most amount of success. As stated, it's the curbside pickup because the curbside prices are always a little bit cheaper than the in-store. All right, so the first digital coupon that we're going to need is this one, which is a 5 off of 2. So load this one. It is of a one-time use, and it is the coupon that we need to make this deal happen. Before I get into a really big deep dive here, I want to give a shout out to Couponing Kraz over on Instagram. This is in fact her deal where I saw it first, giving credit where it's due. Thank you, Kraz, for the amazing little deal here. So we're going to be looking for 2 of these bar soaps for $4.19. Now, find 2 of them, and to do this as a curbside, it's cheaper to do it as a curbside. That their pricing than the pricing in store. I think the pricing in store for this is either $4.99 or like $5.19. So obviously curbside prices are a bit cheaper. So 2 of them, if you want to mix and match, that's totally legal. As you can see, that 5 off is attaching to the 2 cents that I just showed you. So again, we're opting for that curbside pickup, throwing 2 of them into the cart. It's $6.28. Curbside is free. We have a little bit of Michigan tax there. And the 5 off of 2 is beautifully coming off. So it's $1.66 with tax. Before the tax, it's 64 cents per bar of soap. If you also suffer from eczema, I would try to stock up on that because that's a killer price point if you have like a skin condition. And even if you've never had eczema, you never know when this will flare up. Having 1 bar of this in your stockpile is probably really smart. And if you ever get this goofy message where that banner shows up at the top saying the quantity has been adjusted to 1 or 0 or whatever, it's because your store doesn't have the inventory. So try a different store, figure something out, but that's what that little message means. Okay, guys, and if you missed it on both Sunday and Monday, I made little videos saying, like, excellent deals, free deals, cheap deals, like, run to the store. One thing I will, mention and really stress to you guys that if by chance, you're doing a deal with IBOTTA, always scan the item before you buy it, because if you grab the wrong one, because poise, there's 6,000 different types of pads or liners or whatever it is on a shelf, you might grab the wrong one. So just to be super smart, always open your IBOTTA app and store, scan to ensure you're grabbing the right stuff. And these 2 videos will be linked at the very end. Lots of pertinent and great information. This is a week for a lot of deals over at Walgreens. Okay, and then if you go to your digital coupons folder, the Only For You, a whole bunch popped up today. A lot of them expire in the middle of July, but some of them are valid until, August or September. And some of them are really high value as well. Like, look at that one for CeraVe, $3 off, a $4 off for 2 Neutrogenas. Like, OMG, really nice. Also, some really high value Crest. The most highest of the high, like the 650 and the 6, load those ones. If there's $1 off or 3 off of 2, those show up every other week, but these ones are quite unique and they don't expire until September the 26th. So at the very least, load these 2 really nice coupons to see. So yesterday I made a video, I posted it in the evening, and so many of you had opinions and thoughts about, the spirit of the video was a subscriber had gifted stuff to a grandparent, and extended family just was gifted everything from grandma. And what are your thoughts on that? And a lot of you had a lot of stories to share, wisdom to share, lots of really thoughtful comments too on how to avoid the situation. And I just read through the comments. I can't obviously answer everybody because there are so many, but what really strikes me is that so many of you dealt with the exact same thing. So this subscriber who reached out to me, I think it really helped to just discuss this, because this is one of those stories, whoever wants to talk about this, that you gift somebody and then somebody takes the item and then immediately regifts it to somebody else. It's one of those situations. I have been in it several times. I've been couponing for 10 plus years, but for a lot of you who are newer and have never dealt with this sort of thing, check out yesterday's video and read the comments, because a lot of people have a lot of stories that, I was even shocked to hear about it. Even one lady was saying that she was donating to a charity and that stuff would end up on Marketplace, or the people would take the items that they were gifted to, say it was a bottle of Pantene, and then go and try and return it for a refund. So that is just shocking. My goodness gracious. But at the very least, check out this video. It's very interesting, and it is extra interesting because of all the comments that you guys left, and so many people had really amazing stories to share about how, you know, you gifted something and it became a really big blessing, or you had the exact same situation happen to you. So if you guys want to read, like, I'm still going through the comments, and you guys were so generous with your time to write stuff, and it is a really good comment section on this video. Lots of very, very wise and great information. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.